Today's lesson starts with solving exponential equations. We will first begin looking at the equation 10 to the power of 2a plus 3 equals 10 to the power of 10a minus 4. Since you already have equal bases, which is 10, you can jump right to solving the exponents. 2a plus 3 equals a minus 4. You just have to add the like terms. By solving for a, you should get the answer -7. To make sure that -7 is the right answer, plug it back into the original equation where the a's are. And there you have it. They do equal each other. Solving exponential equations.
And now we'll take a look at solving logarithmic equations.
Let's solve an easy one to start off with. We're going to solve log b 81 equals 2. I eliminated the log, then switched the equation around so that I have b squared equals 81. Then to solve for b, I simply take the square root of both sides, and there you have it. b equals positive and negative 9. You must always make sure that you check your work. So, starting off with the original equation, log b 81 equals 2. We put the 9 in for the b, log 9 81 equals 2. Rearrange the equation, 9 squared equals 81. And would you know it, 81 equals 81, check mark. But remember, neither the base of a logarithmic nor an exponential equation may be negative. Therefore, positive 9 is the only solution. Solving logarithmic equations. We are now going to jump into graphing exponential functions. Yahoo! Let's graph the function f of x equals 2 to the power of x plus 1. Now take a look at the two graphs that I have compared, 2 to the power of x and the graph that we are graphing, 2 to the power of x plus 1. Here are the two graphs. In the black you have 2 to the power of x, and in the blue you have 2 to the power of x plus 1. Notice the differences. The blue graph moved one space to the left. Graphing exponential functions.
Let's have some fun and we'll graph some logarithmic functions.
We're going to graph the function f of x equals log x minus 3. Let's take a look at the graphs that I generated. The one in the black is the original log x, and in the blue is the new graph that we are graphing, log x minus 3. Here, the blue graph moved 3 units to the right from the original graph. Graphing logarithmic functions.
Let's do some properties of logarithms.
Let's start off with the product property. We're going to simplify log 8 5 plus log 8 g plus log 8 4. As you can see, I just eliminated the logs and multiplied the 5, the g, and the 4. Final answer would be log 8 20g. Now into quotient property, somewhat like the product property except division. Simplify log 2 6 minus log 2 3. Now we just put it into division. Log 2 6 divided by log 2 3, and then eliminate the logs. So you have 6 divided by 3, which equals 2, and you should come up with the answer log 2 2. And now into the last property, the power property. Simplify 2 log 3a plus 4 log 3b. Here, make it into log 3a squared plus log 3b to the 4. Here you can see that now it's back to the product property. Just multiply the a squared and the b to the 4. A squared b4 should be your final answer.
Properties of logarithms.